Is this seat taken? The cafe is much more crowded than I expected for a Tuesday afternoon.
No, go ahead. It's free. I was actually just about to pack up my laptop, but I decided to stay for one more cup of tea. It's so cold outside.
Tell me about it. I've been walking for 20 minutes and I can barely feel my ears. I definitely need a large black coffee to warm up. Have you tried the pastries here? That almond croissant looks tempting.
They're actually famous for their lemon drizzle cake. My friend told me it's the best in the city, but the croissants are always fresh too. Are you from around here or just passing through?
I just moved to this neighborhood last week. I'm still trying to find the best spots for coffee and lunch. It's a bit overwhelming, to be honest.
Welcome to the area. I've lived here for 3 years, so I can give you some recommendations. If you like Italian food, there's a great little place just around the corner called Luigi's.
That's exactly what I need. I'll make a note of that. By the way, I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah. If you ever need a guide to the local shops, just let me know.
Excuse me, Jason? Is that you? I can't believe it.
Excuse me, Jason? Is that you? I can't believe it.
Elena, wow, it's been what, 5, 6 years? You look exactly the same.
Oh, I wish. I definitely feel older. What are you doing here in Chicago? Last I heard, you were living in San Francisco and working for some big tech startup.
I was, but I moved back home about 6 months ago. The West Coast was great, but I missed my family and the seasons. Well, maybe not the Chicago winters, but everything else. What about you? Are you still teaching?
I am, but I'm at the university now. I finished my PhD last year. It was a lot of work, but it was worth it.
That's amazing. Congratulations. I always knew you'd be a doctor one day. Are you in a hurry or do you have time to grab a quick coffee? I'd love to hear more about your research.
I actually have a meeting in 10 minutes, but I'm free on Thursday afternoon. Why don't you give me your number and we can catch up properly?
Definitely. Here, let me give you my card. Call me or text me whenever you're free. Hey Sarah, do you have a second? I'm looking at the final report for the Miller account, and I think we're missing the quarterly projections.
Oh no, I thought I sent those over to you this morning. Let me check my sent folder. Ah, it's still in my drafts. I'm so sorry, Mark. My brain is like mush today.
Don't worry about it, we've all been there. But the client meeting is at 4 p.m., so we really need to finalize the slides in the next hour. Can you finish the projections now?
I'll start on them right this second. It should take me about 20 minutes. What about the executive summary? Is that finished?
I'm working on it now, but I'm struggling with the conclusion. We need to sound confident but realistic about the budget cuts.
Why don't we focus on the long-term growth? That usually makes the clients feel better. If you write the first draft, I can proofread it for you while you're formatting the charts.
That sounds like a plan. Let's stay focused. No coffee breaks until this is done.
Deal. I'll have the projections in your inbox by 2:30. Let's do this.
Mr. Stevens, do you have a moment? I'd like to discuss the new schedule for the marketing team.
Now isn't a good time, Julia. I have a lot on my plate, and the current schedule is already finalized.
I understand you're busy, but several team members have expressed concerns about the mandatory overtime on weekends. It's starting to affect morale, and I think we should reconsider the deadlines.
I agree that the project is a priority, but if the team is burnt out, the quality of the work will suffer. I've drafted an alternative plan that reallocates some tasks to the night shift to avoid weekend work.
This looks complicated. Who is going to manage the night shift?
I'm willing to stay late for the next 2 weeks to oversee it. I just want to make sure the team feels supported.
Well, if you're willing to take the responsibility, I'm willing to look at the details. But if we fall behind, we go back to the old schedule.
Thank you, Mr. Stevens. I appreciate you listening to my perspective.
You haven't touched your pasta. Is something wrong? You've been very quiet all evening.
I just, I don't think I can do this anymore, David.
Do what? Eat at this restaurant? We can go somewhere else if you don't like the food.
No, it's not the food. It's us. I've been thinking a lot lately, and I feel like we're moving in different directions. You want to stay here, and I still want to travel and see the world.
Wait, where is this coming from? We talked about this. I thought we agreed to save money for a house first.
That's just it. You want a house. I'm not ready for that. I feel like I'm suffocating. I love you, but I'm not happy with this life.
So, what are you saying? You're just giving up on 3 years of being together over a house?
It's not just a house, David. It's everything. I think we need some time apart to figure out what we really want. I've already stayed with my sister for a few days.
I didn't see this coming. I don't know what to say.
I'm sorry. I really am. I'll come by on Sunday to pick up the rest of my things. I think it's better if I go now. Okay, we're here. Remember, my dad loves talking about classic cars, and my mom is very proud of her garden. Just be yourself and you'll be fine.
I'm trying, Sarah, but my palms are sweating. What if they don't like me? What if I say something stupid about their garden?
You won't. You're charming and polite. Plus, I've already told them all about your job and how you helped me move last month. They already think you're a hero.
Okay, I have the flowers for your mom and the expensive wine for your dad. Is my tie straight?
You look perfect. Knocking on the door. Here they come.
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. It's such a pleasure to finally meet you. Sarah has told me so many wonderful things about you both.
Mom, Dad, this is Mark.
I brought these for the house. I've heard you have a beautiful garden, Mrs. Thompson. I'd love to see it later if you have time.
See? You're doing great already. Come on in, everyone.
Ugh, good morning. Is there any coffee left in the pot, or did you finish it all?
There's about half a cup left, but I can make a fresh pot in 2 minutes. Did you sleep okay? You were tossing and turning all night.
Not really. I kept thinking about that presentation I have to give this morning. I'm a bit nervous about the Q&A session.
You'll be fine. You've practiced it 10 times. Do you want some eggs or toast? I'm making some for myself right now.
Just some toast, please. I don't think my stomach can handle anything heavy right now. Oh, have you seen my blue tie? I can't find it anywhere.
It's on the back of the chair in the living room. You left it there when you were practicing last night. By the way, don't forget it's your turn to pick up the dry cleaning today.
Right, I'll do it on my way home. What time are you finishing work?
Around 6. Why don't we celebrate your successful presentation by ordering some pizza tonight?
That sounds like a great motivation. Okay, I'm going to jump in the shower. Wish me luck.
Good luck, honey. You're going to crush it. Can you believe how slow this line is moving? There are 5 registers, but only 2 of them are open.
It's always like this on a Friday evening. Everyone is trying to get their shopping done for the weekend. I should have come earlier this morning.
Me too. I only have 3 items: milk, bread, and some cat food, and I've been waiting for 15 minutes. The woman at the front is arguing about a coupon.
Oh, I see her. It's always a coupon. I have a whole cart full of groceries, so I'm going to be here for a while. Are you in a big hurry?
I'm supposed to meet a friend for dinner in half an hour. I'm starting to think I should just leave the items and come back tomorrow.
Why don't you go ahead of me? I'm not in a rush, and you only have 3 things. It won't make a difference to my wait time.
Really? That's so kind of you. Are you sure?
Absolutely. Go ahead. I'll just listen to my podcast and wait my turn.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend.
You too. Enjoy your dinner. heading up to the 12th floor too?
Actually, the 14th. I work at the law firm that just moved in last month.
Oh, welcome to the building. I'm on the 10th floor in the architecture firm. How are you liking the new office?
It's great, though the view isn't as good as our old place. But the coffee machine in the break room is amazing, so I can't complain.
Coffee is the most important part of any office. I'm Mark, by the way.
I'm Alina. Nice to meet you, Mark. Do you always get in this early, or is it just a busy Monday?
A bit of both. I like to get an hour of quiet work done before the phones start ringing. It's the only way I can stay organized.
I totally agree. Once the meetings start, it's impossible to get anything finished. Well, this is my floor.
Have a productive day, Elena. Maybe I'll see you at the cafe downstairs later.
Definitely. See you around.
What a beautiful day to be outside. I think the whole city has decided to come to the park today.
It's the first sunny day in 2 weeks, so I'm not surprised. I've been sitting on this bench for an hour just watching the dogs play. It's so relaxing.
Is that your dog over there? The golden retriever with the blue ball?
No, mine is the little terrier that's currently trying to bark at the ducks. His name is Toby, and he thinks he's much bigger than he actually is.
He's adorable. I have a cat at home, but I've always wanted a dog. I just don't think I have enough space in my apartment for one.
It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Toby keeps me active. We go for a walk every morning, rain or shine.
That's a good routine. I try to go for a run, but I often find excuses to stay in bed. Maybe I need a dog to motivate me.
It definitely works. Well, Toby looks like he's finished with the ducks. I'd better go get him before he falls in the pond.
It was nice chatting with you. Enjoy the rest of the sunshine.
You too. Bye now.